Hey guys, it's Whitney, and today I am so excited because we are going to be following a Snitchery makeup tutorial on how to fake lip fillers. So we're going to be plumping up our lips and seeing what they look like. I actually saw RawBeautyKristi do this a few days ago, and I was like, daggone Kristi, your lips are looking phenomenal. Like, they looked really, really nice. And I was like, I really want to try that out for myself. I mean, I know what I want it to look like, and I know what I don't want it to look like. I
don't want to look like I just ate a bunch of seafood, had a major allergic reaction, my lips exploded, and got really red.
I think I have everything that we need to get started, so let's go ahead and jump on in. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on all my new videos. And if you're liking what you see, please give me a big thumbs up. It really means the world to me. So the first thing that Snitchery is saying to do is to overline our lips. I really never overline my lips, so this is going to be completely new for me. And we're going to see how good I can do. This is my first time doing this, so we will see what it looks like. She says to start out like right here. They kind of like round it up right there. She also said to kind of have it more darker on the outer part here. So I kind of try to fade it up here on my Cupid's bow a little bit and not so intense. It's like I kind of want to just like go even more to see how big we can get our lips, but I'm a little afraid. I'll do a little more. Okay, I think that looks kind of nice. Alright, we're gonna do our bottom lip now. I feel like I'm laser focused right now, like so concentrating. Not perfected, obviously, but we're getting there. I kind of feel a little bit ridiculous. Snitchery did say that it would look a little crazy at first, and I have to agree with her completely. But we're gonna keep on going and see where this takes us. The next step, she says, is to take a small brush and your bronzer and to put this right underneath your lip like this. And this is supposed to give the illusion of a heavier bottom lip. I think I can tell the difference by just doing that. Next, we're supposed to clean it up a little bit. And she says that you can use your foundation or you can use a concealer. So I'm going to use a concealer. You want to kind of cut out the, like, I guess like this. She says to make it look like you have taller lips. So she does it in 2 steps. She does the bottom and then the top, but I just did both at the same time, so. Okay, now I'm gonna kind of blend this out. I know, I feel like my lips are humongous. Maybe it's just me. Now she says to darken up the corners. So, let's see. After darkening up the corners and the outer line, Snitchery ended up using a lip balm, and RawBeautyKristi ended up using a lip gloss. So I wanted to see what a lipstick would look like on top of this, and then we're going to put on a lip gloss over top of that. So I just kind of want to experiment and see what happens. Right now, I feel like my lips are huge. Like, they are mamma jamma, plump, and juicy. Like, no joke. I swear it seriously does look like I have lip fillers or I had some type of work done to my lips. I think they look a lot bigger, like a ton bigger. I'm kind of blown away, honestly, that this actually worked. So, this is our results, and I am pretty blown away. Like, Snitchery's tutorial and her tips really did the trick. Like, I have never seen my lips this big, like, ever. I mean, I can tell a huge difference. I don't know if you guys can see a huge difference, but I feel like they are really big and voluptuous and plumped up. They are much fuller, and I'm kind of liking it. I really do. And in person, I don't feel like this looks like overly ridiculous or crazy. Like, because I feel like all these colors are working really good, and Snitchery did say that you want to use a lip liner that is the same like tone as your lip, but a little darker. I definitely want to thank Snitchery for making that video and sharing all her tips and tricks. They definitely work. Would I do this every single day that I get ready and I put makeup on, like try to get my lips bigger and plumper and juicier every day and go through this? Probably not, but I think it's not hard at all. I mean, this probably would take you, if you got it down really quick, you know, you practiced it, I feel like you could get this down to, you know, a few minutes a day. So I don't feel like this would be out of the question to add to your makeup routine. But for me, I don't really see myself doing this every single day, but if I wanted to go out on a date or I had a special thing going on, I might would do this. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so much fun getting plump, juicy, fuller lips, and they are kind of growing on me, literally growing. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. I will see you guys in my next video, and hope you have a good one. Bye!